When we survey students in the field, we always said, where is your weak points? And their weak points is, well, I'm not so strong in the clinic. And how do you get more clinic time? Well, you can't get more clinic time unless you are doing clinical rotations or you're doing labs at your facility. Back in 2007, I was a director of radiology at a very large academic institution in New York City, where I saw a need for X-ray technologists, RTs, to get their upskilling training. Since then, we had taken all of our courses online with the mindset of providing access to technologists without diminishing the quality. And what I mean by quality is that there's a teacher in every classroom providing you with the education that you need to learn from someone who has done it in the past, and not trying to pick up to learn a new modality on your own. And it's open to everyone, right? We are not tied to a single school. In 2025, we came up with this model of the Center for Radiology Education, which is essentially a one-stop shop for imaging students, whether it be X-ray, CT, MR, ultrasound, IR, mammo, to come in here, play with the equipment, learn from instructors that have been doing it for a really long time, and get that extra hands-on knowledge that you need. When students come through this training center, they not only have access to these beautiful X-ray rooms, but they've got state-of-the-art equipment like C-arms and ultrasound equipment that is very unique, it's very different, it is certainly one of a kind. Schooling is no longer traditional, and we have to find models and resources that work for everyone. And what I mean by that is not everyone can give up their job to go to X-ray school. Not everyone can meet at a certain time to attend CT or MRI class. And that's our goal here at the Center for Radiology Education, is to provide a resource for students to learn, grow, and succeed.